Hi, good morning. My name is Dave Karn. I'm the distribution manager for Bose Professional. I'm here today at the Almo ProAV booth at InfoComm 2026. What I wanted to show you today is a really unique speaker to the industry. This is called EdgeMax, and this is EdgeMax-LP. What it is, it's an in-ceiling speaker that acts like a surface mount speaker. So what you would do is place this in the corner of the room, up against the edge of the room, and in the ceiling, and it will fire out across the room with sound. So this is a 90-degree version. We've got a 180-degree version. So think big open space where you can't necessarily install a speaker, or you don't want to install a speaker, or the customer doesn't want to see a surface mount speaker on the wall. You would put these in the corners. You could put some 180s in the middle, and from the edge of the room, cover the entire room with sound. Again, really unique solution, low profile, so it'll fit into smaller spaces. It can be mounted in an 8-foot room, so even over a screen, say in a conference room. So a unique solution, and it does have a magnetic grille for easy installation. It will disappear into the ceiling, black and white and paintable. So again, this is the EdgeMax-LP. I'm Dave Karn from Bose Professional. For more information, visit boseprofessional.com.